So now I'm going to show you how the site works on a smartphone. This is a huge breakthrough for us because it's basically the main reason we did version 2.0 because we wanted it to be usable on smartphones as well as tablets. So what I'm going to show you here is the layout for both the smartphone and the tablet. So you can see you got your login buttons, the search buttons. The main menu though is right here. That's where you're going to spend most of your time. So you can see that you have all the things like the drill tabs that we showed earlier. If you go to drills in particular, that's where you're going to find most of the stuff. And then let's just click singles as an example, and that's going to load up now all the singles right below the video library. So you see, since we clicked the singles tab, we're now going to be loading up the singles intro. So now that we click the singles tab, you'll see that the singles intro is playing right here. So if you scroll a little bit lower than the menu button, you see the video library. But the cool part is if you scroll even below that, that's where you're going to see all of the videos that we have in the video library. So singles drills alone has over, I believe, 160 drills. I know I'm going fast here, but you can see there's all sorts of things that you can look at. So the phone capabilities we were excited to use because we wanted people to be able to use them on the court because that's what they're asking for. So if I just click on the very first one, dig it.
Okay, players, this is called
You see that it pulls up that drill right here. I'm going to pause it so you can hear me. And of course, every single feature that works on the main site works on the mobile site. For example, you can pull up a diagram, and depending on the phone that you have, you might even have the capabilities to print such a diagram. That's really up to the phone, but it does pull it up in that capability. The other thing you might want to do is just check out some of these other tabs, but basically the search button, the advanced search, and all the drills and all the menus, they work here and they work beautifully on your phone. You can have it on the court with you. In many cases, I've already shown it to some of the players. When I want to do a drill, I'll just show them the actual drill for a few seconds and maybe the diagram, and I have the phone right with me on the court. So it's a great upgrade and something new with version 2.0.